Welcome back. As we have discussed so far, land use is the use actually made of any parcel of land. It is the human use of land for betterment their socio-cultural and economic conditions. It includes the management, modification, and transformation of the physical environment into the built environment. This modification and transformation are the result of individual desires about the change of a unit of land into another land utilization type, also refers as land use change. Now, the question is, what are the causes behind such land use change? Land use is the outcomes of different biophysical factors, socioeconomic determinants, natural variability, as well as the interaction of the determinants. In this video, we will discuss about the biophysical factors of land use change. So let's begin with the brief explanation of biophysical factors of land use change. Biophysical factors are the specific limiting or supporting determinants of land use change. The effectiveness of such determinants can be varied by region to region. Many scholars confirmed about the influential effectiveness of biophysical determinants within a physiographic unit. However, major biophysical determinants are topography and soil characteristics. These determinants determine the nature and rates of land use change among different physiographic units or regions through defining the natural capability and capacity of land. Moreover, they are also influential for determining the value of land. Now, I would like to talk about the topographical factor of land use change. Land use pattern and its spatial distribution are largely influenced by the topography of that land. If the topography, such as slope and elevation of the area, are unfavorable in condition, then it is possible to produce crops intensively. For example, we can find large agricultural area in the recent floodplain in Bangladesh. On the other hand, if gradient and elevation are such that is difficult to use normally, then extensification process can be observed for crop production in those areas, and most of the land is left uncultivable temporarily or permanently, or change its use. For example, most of mountainous area in the world. The intensification process of land use depends on the nature of terrain of floodplain. However, they also regulate other physical factors such as soil quality, and at the same time affects the social factors. Altitudinal gradient effects on the organic composition of soil by controlling the balance of soil water, weathering, and erosion of soil, and other geological processes, and this influence on the development of vegetation and soil genesis. Moreover, human settlement and other socioeconomic activities are largely influenced by the gradient. The residents of hilly area can convert a piece of land into settlement in favorable condition, otherwise not. Soil characteristics. The extent to which a piece of agricultural land will be cultivated or lying fallow depends largely on the productivity of the land, and the productivity depends on the physical environment including soil properties, erosion, and other climatic conditions. Production can be reduced about 4% because of deteriorating soil quality, which may be happened by soil erosion or other mechanism. If the fertility of the land is low, then it can be cultivated for a period of time. And if the fertility is too high, then the land can be used intensively. But if the fertility is not present at all, then the agricultural land no longer suitable for cultivation. Hence, the owner convert it to another use, thereby changing land use. Moreover, it is identified that the loss of soil fertility and deterioration of the soil quality, including physical, chemical, and biological, are the key causes of land use change, especially from natural or semi-natural forest to managed or cultivated forest land in the highland area. Thank you for watching this video. We will discuss socioeconomic determinants, natural variability, as well as the interaction of determinants of land use change in the next video.